Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a collaboration with Better Length Hair. They specialize in textured clip-ins, extensions for women of color. They sent me over their 3C for a kinky curly texture in the length 16 inches. One bundle comes with 10 clips, and you will see later on that one bundle is enough for a full head. And here I'm just showing you all what all they send with the package. It comes with clips and a needle, as well as a pamphlet on how to care for your bundles. Here I'm just showing you guys how the hair looks fresh out the pack. It does come in its natural state, and once you condition the hair and wet it, it does drop to a more manageable curl. I am very excited to be trying out this texture because my hair actually varies from curl patterns. Like in the front, I have a looser curl, and in my middle and like back, it's more coily. So I'm very excited to see how this will blend. Here's a quick look at my braid pattern. Again, you do not have to have neat braids, but just make sure they're not as tight or as big, because it can be hard for your clips to clip in. Here I'm showing you all what the 10 clip-ins comes with. You receive 4 of the 2 clips, 2 of the 3 clips, 2 of the 4 clips, and 2 of the 5 clips. And these are the curls after just being lightly conditioned while they were still wrapped in their wefts. Because I do leave out around my perimeter, I like to start with a 2-clip weft, so when I pull my hair up, it's easy to blend. And shout out to Trap Money Mellow on Instagram. Thank you for my beat, for my sound with this video. You guys check him out. He has some fire beats. I think I might go ahead and rap on one for y'all one day. Just kidding. And if you are feeling this hair from Better Length, I do have their information in the description box, as well as my promo code to save you $5 off. And if you haven't already seen my other tutorial for their 3B, 3C hair texture, go ahead and check it out. That link will also be in the description box. And let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think I am more of the 3B, 3C or the 3C, 4A? I will be doing a comparison video coming soon because my hair texture literally blend with both textures. I don't know if there's anyone else who struggles with this, but we do have some curly girls who hair texture does vary. So far I only have 4 clip-ins in. In this next clip-in, I left this footage in to show you guys sometimes the clip-ins will not necessarily work with you sometimes. Just be patient. Sometimes the clips need to be open a little bigger or widened to get a grip on your hair. Just take your time, bend them and work with them, and eventually you will get them to clip in. I just wanted to keep this clip in to show you guys. Sometimes you can have a little struggle, but just keep working with it like I did there. It'll eventually clip in. Also, I do prefer a braid down or a method that you have less hair left out. It does wonders. I do have a earlier video where I left my hair out, and because I'm in like that awkward length stage, I just prefer to have a braid down. It is more manageable. I have less of my hair out, and it's honestly a lot easier to blend this way. Here I'm showing you guys that I did cut one of my 2-clip wefts, clip-ins, just to kind of give me more movability in my front. And I'm just going to put them where my leave out will start. It is okay to cut these clips, y'all. That's another reason why they send extra clips and needle and thread, just in case you may have to you know, cut or create different pieces for yourself. This is how the hair looks in its natural state just after being lightly conditioned. I did not rake through the curls. All I did was wet it and put some conditioner on it and rinse it out. So this is what the hair looks like. I am going to shape it to, you know, the style or the shape that I would like. I'm going for like that curly fro banged look. Okay, so hi guys, I am stopping here. I wanted to come and do a little talk session real quick. This video is the install. Please stay tuned for my next video to see me define the curls. So I have 9 clip-ins in. I have 1 left over, and I honestly could have tried to find somewhere to squeeze it in, but when I tell you guys there's really no big gaps, there's no spaces of where you could tell that I have clip-ins in, I'm just gonna leave it at 9. But I did shape the hair to fit my face. I'm going for like that banged curly fro look. These are the 3C4A Kinky curly clip-ins from Better Length. I'm so excited to have this collaboration with them, and I'm even more excited to see how this is about to turn out. So if you guys want to see too, I think you should stay tuned for my next video so you can see how I get these curls popping shins. Thank you guys for understanding. I'm still learning and trying to grow with creating content, and thank you so much for your feedback and your comments, because I'm using them to create a better me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my next one. Bye.